Hi, grade 2. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will make a revise on your book Discover, theme 4. Theme 4, I will revise theme 4 in your book Discover. But before I will go to our revise today. I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today, I will make a revise on, I start theme 4 before, and I will explain chapter 1 in this theme. Today, I will make a quick revise on, then I take the 2 chapters to end from this book, okay? Here is communicating in a community. So here we talk about what? About the means of communicating, which is we do how we do communicate by we use what is the science or what's the things that we do it to communicate with each other. We communicate by body language, sleeping, using hands, eating, writing, facial expressions. Facial expressions means the expressions of our faces, okay? Emotions like sadness or happiness or anything like this. Why do we communicate? So here I ask, when we say, why do we communicate, means what the reason that we make us communicating. First of all, when I would like when I would something from someone, I say to get help. So this is the way that I communicate this person to get help, to learn something. So when we when the teacher explaining in our classroom or videos or in Zoom or any means of communicating. So this is the service. Yes, service. Why? Because I want to learn. So he give me the information that I want. So we communicate to first to get help, to learn something new, to solve a problem, to create something new. This is chapter 1 that we took last video. Today, I will go to another chapter, which is communicating culture. First of all, I would like to know what is culture. Culture is the way of life for a group of people. So I would like to repeat after me. Culture is the way of life for a group of people. Like we have all of us in Egypt to have Egyptian culture. Or we have Arab culture as a whole, but we have Egyptian culture, Saudi culture, English culture. All community or all society have its own culture that expressing what? Expressing his attitudes, expressing the ways of life, like eating, like celebrating of festivals and so on. Okay, all of us as Muslims, we have traditional festivals like celebrating with Eid, celebrating with Sham Nisim, celebrating in Egypt. We have celebrating of Sham Nisim, celebrating of Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, Ramadan. All these way of life or way of culture and tradition that we do in our life. So culture is the way of life for a group of people. What is the meaning of traditional? Traditional means are the belief or behaviors, the way of life that passed down from one generation to next generation. Like what? Here is we talk about Shamming theme in traditional like what? Like when we celebrate with Shamming theme, we have the comparison between Alexandria and Aswan. These two cities in Egypt that celebrating of this festival of this feast. Okay, so what's Alexandria doing here and what Aswan doing here? Both caroling eggs, both eating grenga, but in Alexandria and Aswan, it is different for the place that we go. In Alexandria, people go to beach because Alexandria is on the beach. Aswan is on the Nile, so people or children go to beside the Nile and play beside the Nile. Let's go to answer the question depend on this part. People in Alexandria and Aswan are similar in their tradition. Similar means the same in what coloring is. So I select which one I corrected, which one I selected, this one. People in Alexandria and Aswan are different in tradition, the place they are going to. Let's go to the chapter 3 in this theme. Here we talk about the tools or the things that we take tools of communication, means the way, the things that we do, like what, like phone call or video chat or text or email. This is the tools that we use it to communicate with each other. Email, phone call, video chat, and text. How you can be responsible online? Okay, this is the way that we must do it to save on when we talk with someone online. Must have the things that we must have. We must have a strong password. Okay, we must have a strong password. Okay, and we don't share a full name with strangers. Okay, why? Because someone take your name and make something wrong with you. Okay, so how we can being responsible online? Don't talk to strangers online. So the one who can't know it can't talk with you. Okay, I talk with the one who that I know. Okay, don't share your full name with strangers. Okay, some of us use nice names to share online. Okay, to don't make your real name to make something wrong with you. So some people use nice name or fake name to communicate others. Okay, talk to friends and play games. Tell your parents about everything that happens online. Share hobbies with your friend. Okay. Secret light message. Let's go to this part. This is an important part here. Two objects that allow light to pass through: transparent and semi-transparent. Okay, transparent and semi-transparent. This is something of light. Opaque. This is called opaque. Don't allow light to pass like this. This we will take the next in grade 4. When we go to grade 4, we know opaque and transparent. Okay, and transparent. Okay, we know these two words later in grade 4. Opaque is object. Don't allow light to pass. They're like this one. Okay. Reflect. Reflect means this something one. This something one. Reflect when we are in when we see you in mirror. This is called reflect. Return light rays. Light travel in straight line. This is wrong. Say straight, not street. It's wrong. This is I have a wrong mistake. It's straight line like this. Written like this. Straight line. It's called straight line. Light travel in a straight line. Straight line like this. This is wrong. Okay. Let's go to another one. This is related to science. Okay. We will take it in details when you go grade 4. Okay. Here we say we can use sound to send message without speaking. The different materials that we can use it to create different sound. The key of sound. A special code was developed for soldiers to read message in dark. We have some of sound that we use it like special code. Special code. This is used by soldiers to read message in dark. Lou is Braille. Lou is Braille was a blind child who improved the code when he was a teenager. So he a teenager. Here is the Braille. This is the ways of blind people that we use it to read things. Okay. He used a system of dots. This Braille is system of dots. Use Braille by filling the bumpy pattern with hand. Okay. By this chapter, we end from your book Discover. I hope to benefit from our videos, and I hope you best of luck. Thanks a lot until you meet again.